What's your favorite smoothie? Mine? It's our Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie from our eat-move-save website.
Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands.
You're going to need to slice 2 bananas and place them in the freezer until they are frozen, and this could be done ahead of time. I just like to lay them out onto a plate. And I'm just going to pop these in the freezer. Once your bananas are frozen, you're going to want to add them to a blender. I'm just going to put the banana slices in. And these frozen bananas is going to give it that thick consistency. We're going to add in 1 cup of skim milk, a tablespoon and a half of creamy peanut butter, sometimes that peanut butter is kind of hard to get out, a half a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a half a cup of low-fat vanilla yogurt. There we go. Now, we're gonna put our lid on, and we're going to blend it on high until it is smooth. Now our smoothie is ready to be put into a glass. This smoothie actually makes 2 servings and is great for breakfast or a snack. Enjoy.
Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.